Enjoy a nature walk with me. My dog Gaia. Welcome to Chrysalis YouTube channel. Oh, watch out. My name is Christopher Dobson. Going for a nice nature walk with my dog Gaia. She's a German Shepherd Border Collie mix. 12 years old. Just out here going for a nice, beautiful nature walk. Birds flying by. Just want you to enjoy just as much as I am right now. Mm. It's always nice and peaceful in the morning. Nice and relaxing. Able to calm my thoughts. Plan out the day. Get the blood flowing. Get the nice fresh oxygen. Smiles in. Mm. Beautiful green trees. Good girl, Guy. It's cloudy today, but still beautiful, no matter what. I can be grumpy looking at that, you know what I mean? Exactly. Reminds me to stay in the moment, stay focused, and realize that everything's actually good, no matter what I think is going on in the moment. Good girl. Peaceful out here. Hopefully, it's not too windy. It's not noisy on the mic. It's beautiful. Hope you're enjoying it. Hopefully, it's relaxing like it is to me. Hopefully, you get a chance to go for a walk, enjoy nature, chance to be alone with your thoughts, chance to be alone with your emotions, figure out where you're going in life. Not always running, but you got to have action too, of course. Nothing happens without the action, but you got to know what kind of action. Make sure it's aligned with who you are and where you want to go. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Nice path up there. Don't think I'll go that way today, though. It's getting cold. Snowed earlier, a couple weeks, but the snow melted. It's still cold out here, but it's all right. Let's go in here. That looks promising. Nice. Good girl. Mm. And it was kind of swampy in here still. It's kind of swampy. It's all right still. Beautiful. Up, up. Mm. You Gaia? What do you think? What's this? Nice. Go. Go smell. This beautiful river. Uh, Down by the river. Mm. Hope you're enjoying. Hope you like rivers. Hope you get to see a river in the near future. Whatever you like, whatever you enjoy that brings you peace. Just more of that. I feel like we need more of that in our world. Of course, we need action, but we got to balance it out with more of this. Let me know if you want to see more of things like this or Anything else you want me to share? Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing to be here, enjoying this beautiful nature with me. Pretty sure Gaia says thank you. Gaia, speak, speak, speak. Good girl. See, she says thank you. Some bird is saying thank you. Yeah. Well, guess we'll leave it there. See you again next time on the next walk. Take care. See you next time.